Let us study animal colonies and food. Most of the animals live in colonies. Drag and drop the animals in the correct place on the food web. Some organisms can go in more than one place.
Keywords. List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter.
Different types of animals are found in our surroundings. All these animals have their own food habits. Herbivores are the animals which depend only on plants for food like leaves, flowers, fruits, or even wood. Carnivores are the animals which depend only on animals for food. Omnivores are the animals which depend on both plants and animals for food. Animals use some senses more strongly than others to find their food. Pond skaters are the insects which are found near ponds. They move quickly from one place to another place to catch an insect which falls in water. Beaks of birds differ from one another based on the food they eat. A frog collects its food by throwing out its sticky tongue towards an insect. Dogs and cats use their sharp teeth and tongue to eat food. Most of the animals eat other animals by hunting with their sharp teeth. Some animals get their food without hunting, while some other animals need to hunt to get their food. Ducks and fish also have teeth, but not like the teeth of a cow or lion. Their teeth are used to filter the food from water. Animals like cockroaches, desert lizards, rats, owls, bats, moths, crickets, etc. find their food only at night times. Hence, these animals are called nocturnal animals. Food chain is the connection among animals and plants on the basis of their food habits. Food chain forms a food web when one animal depends upon more than one source and type of food.
Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click Answer for your reference.
Follow-up work. Take up the following activities. Write the body parts of animals that are used to collect the food from the table below. Prepare a booklet on birds and their food habits. Collect pictures of different birds. Write the way in which each bird gets its food. Observe a dog in your surroundings. How does it get its food? Write your observations. Observe the following animals in your surroundings. Find out how they get their food. Observe them every day for at least a week. Write whatever you have observed in your notebook and display it on your wall magazine. Spider in a web. Hen in the garden. Butterfly on a flower. Look at the given image. Try to draw a food chain that starts from grain and ends with a cat. Do you find any similarities and dissimilarities in the way and the type of food eaten by hen and crow? What are they? Observe your surroundings or go to a nearby field and write about the following. How does the cow eat grass? What are the tools used while doing so? In what way can you justify it is a herbivore? Prepare a scrapbook of animals and separate them into carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores. Look at the following birds and choose the correct options from statements 1, 2, and 3 given below. The reason for the beaks of different birds being different is to make it easy to recognize them. There is no reason for the difference, it just happens. The beaks are different because the birds eat different kinds of food. Try to answer the following questions. Which two of the given birds, that is sparrow, duck, eagle and dove, would eat the same kind of food according to you? Why do you think they might eat the same kind of food?
Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the